Welcome back to Tech Focus channel. In our previous video, we explored the world of JavaScript arithmetic operators. Today, we will dive into the assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values in a variable in JavaScript. They not only allow you to set initial value, but also provide convenient shortcut for performing arithmetic operations and reassigning the result to the same variable. JavaScript offers several assignment operators, each with its unique functionality, like assignment operator, addition assignment operator, subtraction assignment operator, multiplication assignment operator, division assignment operator, modulus assignment operator, and exponentiation assignment operator. Now let's see each of them with an example. Okay, CLG, shortcut for console.log. As you can see, the first operators is assignment operator, which here I assigned the 5 to x variable and 3 to y variable. So now we know that assignment operator from the previous video, and you see a lot, so there is no need to give an example with this operator. And let's see the addition assignment operator. You can write like this: x plus equal to y. Now let's see the result. I'm using the terminal to run JavaScript code, but you can use the terminal or browser console. Okay, let's see the result. Note and the name of the file script. As you can see, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And also you can write like this: x equal to x plus y. These operations will provide the same result. Let's check that. Now we have x equal to x plus y. The results are the same. You can see that the result of this operation and this operation are the same. You can use like this or like this, but I prefer this because it is short and clean. And also let's check the subtraction assignment operator. The subtraction assignment operator subtract a value from a variable and assign the result back to the variable equal to y. Let's clear the console and see the result. Okay, 3 minus 5 is equal to 2. And also we can use like this. Now that you can see the result are the same. X, which is 5, is equal to x, which is 5, minus 3, the result is 2. Now let's see the multiplication assignment operator. Multiplication assignment operator, x multiplies equal to y. Let's see the result. It is 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. Okay, and also you can write like this. Let's see the division assignment operator. The division assignment operator divides a variable by a value and assigns the result back to the variable. Okay, let's clear the console and see the result. As you can see, the 5 is divided by 3, and now the result is 1.66. So let's change the x variable, and now you can see that the 6 divided by 3, the result is 2. And let's see the modulus assignment operator. Modulus assignment operator calculates the remainder of division operation and assigns it to the variable. Let's see this one. As you can see, the 6 is divided by 3, the remainder is 0. If I change the 6 to 5 or to 10, now you can see that we have a remainder which is 1. 10 divided by 3, the remainder is equal to 1. And also you can write the same operation, you will have the same result with using this operation. Now let's check the exponentiation assignment operator. The exponentiation assignment operator writes a variable to the power of a value and assign the result back to the variable. So let's see the result. As you can see, the result is 1000. Or let's make it a smaller. So the result now it is 125, and you can have the same result and write like this, okay? And this they will give you the same result. As you can see, assignment operators provide concise and readable way to perform arithmetic operations and reassign the result to the same variable. Here in this image you can see all the assignment operator. As you can see, in this column you have the operator, and there is an example with this operator, and that you can write this column is equal to this column, and they will give you the same result. But I prefer this column to write like this column, and it is short and clear and concise, I think, but you can use like this or like this. In this video, we unveil the power of JavaScript assignment operators. These operators not only simplify the process of assigning values to a variable, but also offer convenient shortcut for performing arithmetic operations and reassigning the result. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on JavaScript. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.